Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. Today I'm taking part in a collaboration, but we'll get back to that in just a moment. Okay, I took this sign from the Dollar Tree and I'm sitting here trying to get the paper off, and it wasn't going very well as planned. So I went ahead and I sanded with my sanding block all of the glitter just to get as much off as I could. Sometimes I do this step, sometimes I don't, but I felt like this was like a lot of glitter, so I thought, well, I'll just work at it. Now I used my Ladybug vacuum cleaner and I vacuumed them all up, and then what I'm going to do, we'll see here, I normally use dowels. Now these signs from the Dollar Tree are usually bowed, and I don't like them when they're bowed, so I had these old spoons, and what I'm going to do is use those to straighten out this board. So I just glue them on and get them all glued, and what that does is it straightens them out so they're perfectly straight. Then after I get them all glued on, and I just glue around, and then I go around the whole edge and I really hold on to it, push it down until the all the glue is completely dry. That way you have a really good secure hold, so that they won't pop off, and that the board won't be able to flip back up. So once I get this done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use Mod Podge, and I'm going to cover the rest of the board that is showing on the glitter, and I do the whole board, and that seals the rest of the glitter so it won't fall off. So I wanted to get that completely done. Okay, once I was done with that, I grabbed this calendar and I'm cutting it out, and I have to separate. It was too big for that board, so I'm just kind of fitting it to see where it would end up going. Now then I'm going to take it off and I'm going to paint that board with white applebarrel paint, and I'm going to put, I think I only put one coat, maybe like one and a little bit, just to make sure that I got full coverage on there. And of course I just poured some on there. Anything, if I didn't have enough, I got more. If I had too much, I would just put some back. So I'm just going ahead and just painting this whole thing with this white paint, the white applebarrel paint. And like I said, it goes on really smooth on this board. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to recreating that shiplap look that is on that calendar. So while we're thinking about it, don't forget to go down to the description box. Down there is going to be a lot of information, plus let me tell you in just a second what collaboration that I am taking place in. Okay, after that dried, I took my my black applebarrel paint and a chippy brush, but first I wanted to make sure I put the lines on there so it showed. So I kind of lined it up with the calendar so it would look pretty much seamless. And I just used a pencil and I marked them, and then I drew the lines so that I would make sure that I got it on pretty straight, because I wanted it to look where it wasn't a calendar just stuck on it. And so I'm gonna have to make it look like the actual shiplap that was on the calendar. So here I am just marking them, and then I lost all footage. So I completely lost all of the footage finished in this, but you can see it's pretty seamless, and that is how it turned out. So I hope you guys really like this. Okay, now this is the Hello Fall collab. It is from Ellie and Tammie. Tammie's from the Rusted Willow, and Ellie is from DIY at Home. And let's get in. So down in the description box is going to be both of their channel links as well as the playlist link. And don't forget to go check them all out, all of the videos. They have some amazing creators. So let's get right into this next project. Now, I don't know why my video recorded this way, but it's small. So if you can't see it, put on some magnifying glasses like I have laying there, and you'll be able to see it. But let's get with this. All right, so this is a little plaque I've had for many, many years, and the front of it was all scratched up. So I went ahead and sanded it, and then I painted it with Folk Arts. I think it was nutmeg, I think. No, I can't remember. I'll have to check that out. But I just painted it all, and then I'm putting the second coat on, and for the life of me, I cannot remember what that color is. But here I am putting a second coat on, and let's see. Actually, this is a different color. First, I decided not to use the other color, so I went ahead and actually it is the same color. Duh. I'm sorry, it's been like 2 weeks since I did this video, so I am just going over it for the second time, and then I am going to embellish this plaque, and you'll get to see what it is. Okay, here I am just drying it after the 2 coats, and then we're going to go ahead and embellish it. I have those stickers from the Dollar Tree there, and they are too big, and so I have to switch to another kind, but I do find the right size, and we get them all done. So I wanted to let you know, down in the description box is a link to my new channel. It's called All Things Connie. In that channel, I do everything else that I don't do here. So I paint, I do nails, I do house renovations, I do cooking, just whatever. I've only done like 4 videos so far, but I will be doing more soon. So Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're notified. If you hit it twice, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. At least you should. Plus, you want to definitely check out my link tree, and all the different stuff that I have. Anything I use, I try to link it in. And as you can see, I lost footage on this. I just used Dollar General letters and wrote pumpkin spice, and I put a little half of a pumpkin from the Dollar Tree painted white, and then a bunch of little leaves. And that's that one. And then you'll get to see this other one again that I made with, and you can see where it looks pretty seamless. You can't really tell. I really like this one. Don't forget to check out everyone's channels. Check out the description box. You guys have a fantastic week, a very blessed week, and be the Bible that somebody reads today. Bye.